Hello everyone, welcome to this 20th video on Excel. In this video, we will explore how we can get difference from previous value, difference percentage, rank, cumulative sum and cumulative percentage, all this in pivot table in Excel. So you can see the pivot on the right side. We'll recreate this again with the data on the left side where we have some transaction date for a few products and the revenue generated from that, and this year field is actually just the year value extracted from this date field. So let's jump into this. I'll just delete this pivot and we'll recreate again. So I'm selecting this data, control A, and then I'll insert pivot table in this existing worksheet, and I'll select a range here, actually a cell here, G4, and click on OK. So now we have this fields list on the right side. So we'll start with putting year on the rows and the revenue on values. So now we have the sum of revenue for each of this year. We have this available here, which is the first thing you can see on the top, which we wanted to achieve. Now the next thing is difference of revenue. So to do that, we'll again put revenue here. It will automatically rename it as sum of revenue too, but yeah, I'll change the name later. So we'll go to value field setting, click on show value as, we'll select difference from. So, and the base field would be here, because on rows we have here, so everywhere the base field would be here only, and we want to get the difference from the previous value. So whatever is the current value, will get the difference from the previous value for that particular cell. So once we click OK, these numbers change. So this 1073 is 40178 minus 39105. And like that, we have these numbers here. So I'll just rename it to difference of revenue. Now, if you want to get this difference in terms of percentage, so what we'll do, we'll again put this revenue here in values. We'll go to value field setting, show value as, and here we will select percentage difference from. Okay, again base field is year and previous. So now we are getting these in percentage terms. So from 2007 to 8 there is a 2.74% increase in revenue. Okay, and we can see that there are a few years where there is more than 100% jump in revenue. So here in 2011 it is 144 plus, 2014 103 plus, and 2024 it is 165 plus. But there are year where there is a big drop as well. So here we have minus 75%, minus 64%, minus 58%, like that. The next thing which we want to do is to get a rank for all this revenue. So I'll put revenue again, and here I'll go to value field setting again, show value as, and I have rank smallest to largest or largest to smallest. So I'll select smallest to largest, and base field is again year. When I click OK, you see the smallest number here is ranked as 1, and the largest is here, which is 76124, which is ranked as 18, and the second largest is this 71261. So I'll change the name here to rank. And next thing which we would like to achieve is to get cumulative sum of these revenue. So again put this revenue here by pressing the control key, and then in value field setting I'll go to show value as, we'll select this running total. So cumulative is actually running total. The base field would again be here only. I'll click on OK, and now we have this cumulative sum number. So for first year it remains the same. For second year it is the sum of these two values. So 39105 plus 40178, that is the value 79283 which we are getting here. And the final value would be equal to this total. Okay. Now we want to get the cumulative percentage. So we'll again put this revenue here, and we'll just go to value field setting, show value as running total percentage, and here it would be year, base field would be year. So this is in terms of percentage. So what does it mean? It means that out of the total revenue that we have, this one is only 5%, while some of these two is actually 10.46%. Some of these three, which is this, is actually equal to 18.12%. And this is the, again, the total revenue. So this is actually 100% of the total revenue. So I hope you enjoyed this video where we explored a few different things which we can achieve using pivot table. So do like the video, subscribe my channel, share it amongst your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.